Hi everybody, Mr. Colburn here. Today we're going to read and write numbers. If you want to follow along, make sure you have your Go Math book out to lesson 1.2 on page 7. It's really important today that we have our place value chart and our word reference sheet. If you aren't sure what they are, here's the place value chart and the word reference sheet. I do quickly want to review the place value chart and all of the pieces. So if we look here, this is the ones period, the thousands period, and each period is separated with a comma. Okay, grab your word form reference sheet and see if you can fill in the blanks. Go ahead and pause the video and take your time finding the missing numbers. Go ahead and pause the video again and see if you got them right. Okay, we are going to write 262,400 in standard form, word form, and expanded form. Let's focus on standard form first. Standard form is my favorite because you just write the number. So it's 262,400. Standard form. Let's write 262,400 in word form. Our first step is to write 262,400 and put our digits in the place value chart. All right, so there's no ones, there's no tens, there's 4 hundreds, there's a comma, there's a 2 1,000s, there's 6 10,000s, and there's 2 100,000s. All right, we want to look for the different periods that we have digits in. So we have digits in our ones period, and we also have digits in our thousands period. All right, so our last step, we don't want to forget the commas, and we're going to write our numbers. So we have 262,000, comma, 400. So our number in word form is 262,400. All right, next, we're going to write 262,400 in expanded form. So just like the last time, we're going to write our digits in the place value chart. So there is 0 ones, 0 tens, 4 hundreds, 2 1,000s, 6 10,000s, and 2 100,000s. Next, we want to find the values of each digit in our number. So we have 2 100,000s, we have 6 10,000s, or 60,000, and we have 2 1,000s, or 2,000. We have 4 hundreds, or 400. We have no tens and 0 ones. Our last step is to finally write the number in expanded form. We have 200,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 400. So our number in expanded form is 200,000 plus 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 400. So let's practice. We're going to use place value to read and write numbers. If we look for clues, we don't have the standard form yet. We don't have the expanded form, but we do have the word form. A little trick is to make sure you look for the commas. When we see the commas, we know that we're going to have 2 different periods, before and after the comma. So do we have any 100,000s? No. Do we have any 10,000s? We have 90, or we can write 9 10,000s. Do we have any 1,000s? Yeah, we have 2 of them. Let's not forget our comma. And then how many hundreds do we have? We have 100, and then we have 70, or 7 tens, and no ones. Well, looks like my standard form is finished. And let's do the expanded form. So we have 9 10,000s, or 90,000. We have 2 1,000s, or 2,000. We have 100, and 7 tens, or 70, and no ones. So let's write the expanded form. So we have 90,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 70. Okay, why don't you pause the video and try to do this one on your own. When you're finished, hit play for the answers. So notice there's a comma and a comma, and that means we're going to have 2 different periods. We see the comma here. So how many 100,000s did we have? 2 is right. So we have 2 100,000s, or 200,000. We have no 10,000s, we have no 1,000s, we have no hundreds, we have no tens, and then we have 7 ones. All right, for some more practice, let's do the following problems. You can do 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 16, 17, and 18. All right, and you can find these problems on pages 10 and 11 in your Chapter 1 Go Math book. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Yeah, look forward to seeing you next time. All right, and don't forget, anything is possible.